Where you going? Is Theo recording you? You're falling.
You like the camera, don't you?
She really does. Princess.
Look at this. Look at that fatness.
This is the skinniest baby I've ever seen, but let me give her 4 weeks. She'll gain like 3 pounds.
If you fat, laugh. She said, no, wait, not yet. Let me eat my food.
It's yummy, but now you're falling this way. What the hell? Stay still. It's yummy, Chloe?
She said, oh my God, you got me on camera.
She's like, I gotta eat nice and calm. You can't have the whole... It's Chloe!
Me exposing her fat.
Alright, I think you need a break. You can't have the whole cup.
She tried to die for her.
Yeah.
So Chloe, this is your interview. How was the food?
She said, Theo, I'm not done.
Was the food good, Chloe? Your next interview is imprinting. Who was the first guy that imprinted on you?
Gregory. Who was the second guy? Lewis. We call him Bugs. Really? I'm off be opening before the plate even, the spoon even gets close to it. You can stop.
You neighbor?
See, you see how they learn after a while? At first she wasn't opening her mouth.
Because she's fat. It's food. Are you fat, baby?
Say, I'm not fat, baby. I'm not fat, baby. If they fed me more cereal and baby food, I wouldn't drink so many bottles of milk all the time.
She's so angry.
She wants the spoon back. You took a shower?